Spin the wheel of fortune. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Well, that was awkward. Okay. What character should we hope for? Oh shoot. I don't care. But we're playing Sling Kong. Because we're playing Sling Kong. Ooh. We'll kill him. We'll kill him. Oh, rip. B. I'm not being him. Oh, I could have played again. I'm gonna play again. Not really hoping for anything, but still, I need to play again. Cupcake? No. 3 times. Oh, I got a super sling. Nice. Whey! That was awesome. Sling Kong. Download Sling Kong on the App Store or on Google Play Store. Well, if you want, obviously. Oh gosh. I'll be back in a sec. If anyone knows this game, then you probably just know what happened. That sucks. Let's go. Once again. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh my god, I'm bad. Okay. Last attempt. Well, with the mega thingy. Okay, let's go. We're gonna try hard. Oh shoot. I almost died. Oh my god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. No thanks. Maybe a different character is better. Let's try the original monkey. Let's go, monkey. Okay. Monkey. Fire. Sling. Fire. What the heck just happened? Go, monkey. You can do this. You can beat my score. Come on, monkey. Why do feathers go everywhere? He's a monkey. Whoa. Whoever I land on. Really? Dang monkey. Run! Oh shoot. Doo-doo. If you want me to play any more of this weird Slingy Kong game, Sling Kong, then like this video or comment down below what you want me to play, what else you would like me to play, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Bye.